Hi everyone, this is Brad from TimeToTalkTech.com. New feature in Gemini Notebook. It allows you to copy it. You may know it in the past as Notebook LM. It is now Gemini Notebook. You can now make a copy of an entire notebook, including the sources and a lot of other things that have already been created inside of it. So let's take a look. So I'm going to scroll down here to Fahrenheit 451. Now, you will notice right up here you can click copy. Well, what I want to show you though is when you do click share, say you have one, you want to share it with students or whoever it may be. If you click share, make sure you scroll down. Anyone with a link or public, but then right here you want to, as you can see, it lets you know, allow copies, including all its sources, studio items, and make sure you have the necessary rights to allow copying. Select save. Then you can go ahead and share. Let's copy the link, and I'll show you that it does work. So if you went in and you shared this with whomever, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, copy it. I'm going to keep his copy of Fahrenheit 451. Everything's being copied right in here. The only thing it doesn't copy, just so you know, is right in here. It does not copy. It will copy your study guides, your flashcards, things like that, but your chat history and any personal notes are not copied. So let's just go right in here. Here's a Fahrenheit 451 lesson, lesson plan, and that is all copied right there. So really nice to have to be able to share. Be great for a teacher. You could share it with share your class resources with students. They could make copies. Whatever it is they would need to go ahead and use it for and kind of customize it for themselves. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.